having a modern system in place is going to position them well to be able to address each one of those business challenges. Welcome to today's session. My name's Ralph Hess, a veteran of over 40 years of ERP exploration, helping our customers understand what the best fit is for their business needs. Today, what we're going to talk about is having that right fit for ERP solutions for industrial products companies. What we look to cover today is going to be where the state of the market is today, what those challenges those customers are facing, and how we have helped customers along their journey to solve those problems. So as we operate in the market today with industrial products organizations, many of them are more mature. So they are not just on their first exploration of ERP or systems in general. They've had 1, 2, or 3 systems. What we're finding is those mature companies oftentimes have mature systems. They're either on-premise, they're old kind of first version solutions that have been attempted to move to the cloud. And what they have is really a set of applications that are not well interconnected. There's a lot of manual work being done around the system to achieve the outcomes that they're looking for. Also, many of those organizations are facing a turnover in their workforce. And what we're finding is that as newer people are coming into the workforce, call them the younger generation, they're used to a different technology user experience than are some of us folks that I would refer to as more seasoned. So as your new team members are coming in, they have higher expectations of what a solution or a system's going to do for them. As we look to explore these journeys with our customers, we're now helping educate them on what the modern application can look like. As we are positioning solutions from SAP, the most modern cloud ERP that's available, and we're comparing them against what some of the other offerings are in the marketplace, either from Infor, Microsoft, Epicor. What we find is that as we start to explain to our customers and our prospects what's available, they are seeing a difference. So what SAP is bringing to the market today is not integrated systems. I'm going to call them interconnected systems. What you're actually looking at is a platform of applications, not a set of applications. And so what does that mean? So as we're looking at moving towards AI, as we're looking at automation, as we're looking at streamlining and optimization, really one of the most significant failure points are how systems talk to each other. Everybody has a system. Each of the publishers that I had mentioned all have solutions that are integrated. They may have been purchased from another third party, made their own, and then interconnected, or they're just using a third-party solution to fill out the feature set. What's very unique with SAP and their 50 years of experience in really defining what the ERP marketplace is, all of these systems are homogeneous. Their interconnection is natural. They communicate with each other, not integrate with each other. Again, I just want to go back to what difference that makes. That means that you have a better set of data, holistic data, so that as you start to go on your AI journey, which as we've covered in other sessions, is really based on having good, accurate data, you're setting yourself up for the long term. As we look at that AI journey, we can talk about what the future is, agentic processing, bots going all over the place and helping people accomplish those menial tasks so that they can add higher value efforts to the organization. But it all starts with getting the applications right. So those industrial products companies are really facing a lot of pressures, whether they be from tariffs on importing of materials or components or finished products. They're facing a competition for quality of workforce, and they're facing a competition for capital. They're chasing capital for expansion, etc. And so having a modern system in place is going to position them well to be able to address each one of those business challenges. Of course, compressing margins and wanting to yield more profitability is all what the promise is of this AI future. But in order to get there, we really need to help you get along the journey, which is helping you understand what the best fit solution is for your organization. So if you're an industrial products organization starting to look at modernizing your systems, really think about it more from a platform play. As you're looking at what you want to achieve as an outcome for your business, identify the right platform that's going to help you achieve the goals that really you're looking for. You want to look at the publisher. You want to look at the platform itself. You want to look at really the maturity of that platform and how you can then apply that to achieve what you're looking for your business. So if you happen to be an industrial products company, either a distributor or a manufacturer, that's sitting anywhere between $100 million and $500 million, and you're looking to start your journey or you're part of that exploration journey, let Navigator, with our over 40 years of experience, help you along that journey. Let us help you find the right fit for your organization. We're here and ready to help.